The two of you were in a relationship for a number of years. It seems to be a bit of a love-hate relationship. Love on one hand and hate on the other. The point about it is this. Normally, Julie, when you enter into a contract with somebody that you're in a relationship to do work, you either have no contract because courts don't think there's any intention for you to create legal relations in the event that something goes wrong. Mum, will you change the light bulb? She does it negligently. You can't sue her for that because otherwise courts up and down the country would be clogged. In addition to that, when you hire somebody that's a professional, they have specific legal duties to you because they're a professional and they have to do the work to a professional standard. He wasn't a professional when you hired him, so it's very difficult for you to sue him for negligence, which is the basis of your claim. However, what you can do is sue him for the work you've paid him for, which he hasn't done. And to that extent, it seems to me that your claim succeeds. Mickey, you took £300 in circumstances where, on any view, you haven't conducted the hours that any reasonable person would have conducted in order to build a fence. In the circumstances, therefore, I am prepared to grant your claim of £300, which is the work that hasn't been done by Mickey. £300 seems to me is a lot for that fence. I use that term loosely. The problem is this. At the centre of this, there could have been a very serious accident, not just involving your dog, which would have been bad enough and emotionally costly to you enough, but there was a bus involved in an incident as well. That could have caused serious, serious injury. And that demonstrates to you and to anybody else that when you're securing a fence, you ought to pay somebody, regardless of how much it costs, to get that done properly and professionally. And it's absolutely incumbent on you, where you pay a friend, even a loved one, to ensure that they have the relevant expertise to complete that work. Otherwise, you can end up in court. The award of this court, as a result of the work that's not been done, is £300 to you, Julie.
Thank you, Judge.
And get that fence mended, not by you. That's the award of this court.